Hi everybody, welcome to the mountain reserve in our nature kingdom. So we are back in Planet Zoo with the third episode already, guys. I can't believe it. We're viewing Root right now, but uh-oh, what's wrong? Security guards. Oh yeah, I remember this from last time. They were like, we need security guards for some reason. Even though I thought there was no crime. And actually, let's open our zoo back up again to later midnight and earlier in the morning. I think that's pretty good. We just turned it there so that we could get a better view of them in the snow. Because last time it was actually our wolves' first snow, and they were actually, they were really happy. But alright, let's add in security guard. Okay. And remember guys, leave your comments. Any comments you leave, and you can actually be picked to be in our zoo. This is so cute! She's trying to, wait, is it, I think this is Petal. Yeah, this is Petal. She's hungry? Oh no. Wait, you can eat from here. Keeper, this is unacceptable. Ma'am, give them food. Ma'am, what are you doing? Uh-oh. You okay? Okay, he's okay. What about, wait, where'd Petal go? Petal? Petal? Where'd Petal go? Oh, okay, good, Petal. Petal? Whoa, okay, that's okay. I think this is actually like the wild for her, and I think she's been trying at this so hard that, she's hungry. Petal, go eat something else. And actually, I was thinking, so we can name the habitat, exhibit, whatever you want to call it. Actually, so, ma'am, are you getting food? Ma'am. Hey, stop running so fast. Okay, good, she's preparing food. But I was thinking that, for every animal that kind of lives in a pack, I guess, so like, I guess all the wolves, really, that's all I was really thinking, but like, we could name it, you know, like, I don't know, the mountain pack or something, but, so, yeah, so we have Root and Petal, so maybe I was thinking this could be the branch pack, so maybe we'll call them that, the, or should it be, oh yeah, the inspector just left, but, oh, they've arrived. Yeah, so I'll have to give a little more thought into that, but, let me know if you guys actually think that would be a good idea to, have, like, we name each wolf pack, like, that is so pretty. It's like the first video, except this time it's a better habitat. Ooh, nice. And Kit Kat? Wolf Researcher Kit Kat, you have, or sorry, Wolf Caretaker Kit Kat, you have successfully researched the stuff for the wolves. So now, actually, I don't really know which stuff. Well, why don't, oh, do we have canine? Yeah, okay. Let's do the one, because if we get some Nile crocodiles in here, it's called Nile crocodile pox. Actually, I don't think we'll be getting those in here for a while. Let's just put whatever at the top. So, rotavirus, actually. So, good, he's all set. You happy? Are you happy? Please be happy. What a dump. Uh-oh. How about you, little kid? 3 stars. Why can't you stay that long? This spot looks boring. What's wrong with them? Okay, these people are happy. Oh, how about... Oh, that's the inspector. Man, is it... Okay, so here's where I'm confused. This same person is like, you can't even tell if it's a timber wolf from here. And then they're like, I am enjoying the view of the timber wolf. I'm very confused. Okay, so half the people can see the timber wolves and half can't. That's an issue. But I think we should be... That's not money. I think we should... No. What just happened? Ah! Why is it like this? Why do we have taxes? Ew. Oh, habitat area tax. Okay, nice. We're getting lots of donations. Lots of shop income. We're doing really well, really good on food, so... Buy tickets. Ooh, let's hear inspector report. Aw, dang. Okay, yeah, but we got 4 stars just because we don't have education. Honestly, I would rather have more animals in here. Why are we so low already? Why? Give us money, please. I don't know why, really, that it cost that much. It shouldn't really have costed that much. To make that, this, we literally have this. It's not really that much. Yeah, so guys are hungry. But they're not... Oh, here's the... Wait, where's the food? Is this the food? Ice cream. This is milkshakes. And this is information. Why are the guests... It's too expensive. We'll have to change that later. Yeah, I guess it's too expensive. Well, we'll have to change that later. For now, I think we're actually doing okay. I'll just change it later because honestly, you guys don't want to see me going through prices, I'm pretty sure. Okay, yeah. Who are you? I think this looks like question mark? No, it's Battle. Where's Root then? Oh, you're sleeping in the shelter. You're so cute. Yeah. So I was hoping we could get some Arctic wolves in, but I think actually we're going to shrink their habitat. Oh, sorry, Roo. I know, buddy. I'm so sorry. Are you sad now? Oh, did he just move? Yeah, he's just on the floor now. Okay, yeah, so let's actually squeeze this in here because it is a little big. And Root, buddy, I need you to move. Oh, okay, he's pooping. Rue, I'm actually going to move you over here. Yeah, sorry, buddy. I just need to scooch this in a bit. Okay, we're going to fix that. Ah, there. Okay. It looks a little wacky now, but wait, why can I not? Remove you now? Aha. Oh wait, no, I don't want to do that. No, 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 no. How do I wait, go back. Perhaps we'll just Nah, why isn't this working? No. Bad, bad, bad. Just okay. Now I think we can delete that. And voila! So now it's way more shrunken down. And I think actually we can scooch it in even more because you know, they don't need this much space, I don't think. Are you still happy on space, buddy? Okay, yeah, but we pushed it pretty far. How's our thingy doing? Yes, we got more money. Oh, they're cool. Look how cute they are. They're just laying down together. They're really happy here. Ooh. Dang, Kit Kat. Kit Kat, you know, you're doing such a good job as our little vet that, we're gonna train you. Actually, I don't know. I think I'd rather have... Okay, people aren't happy. Bro, it's like... I can see them perfectly fine. Oh, wait, no, I can't. Okay. I mean, they need their privacy sometimes. Calm down, people. Okay, and I actually think we are going to have an Arctic wolf habitat kind of like right over here so that you can kind of walk through the path between them. Just until, you know, until we get more money, and then I think eventually, actually, this is going to all go underground over here. Yeah, over here. And then, this is going to be removed. We'll just, and then I think we're just going to do, like, an Arctic section kind of over here so that, you know, because I kind of want to section it off into, like, not really habitat, but also kind of, like, where they came from. So, like, if they're North American animals, then, like, you know, they'll go, like, over here, for example. Or, like, if they're South American, they'll go over here. Kind of, I guess, like, the DLCs, almost. So, yeah, I think let's actually start on that habitat and see if we can get them in here today, because, whoa, what is that? There are birds now. Wow, look at them. The sun is just on the mountains. Wow, these actually look really realistic. Wow. Planet Zoo did a good job. Yeah, because, last time, I said we were gonna try and get them in there, but, it never actually happened. So, is that the light? Where's the light thing? Aha! I knew it was something like that. Try to get them very up close. Whoop, I need you over here. We need a little further away. Aha! There we go. And actually, yeah, then we can have a path coming down the front where you can also see our lovely Arctic wolves with their shining yellow coats. Or, sorry, not yellow. I don't know why I said yellow. Their shining white coats. And let's get a door in. Yeah. Let's see. I guess we can have it over here since we're gonna have, yeah, we're gonna have a path. So, I don't know why it always goes out of that menu. Fix incomplete. Ah, you stupid habitat. Of course you wouldn't complete. I thought it did not. Are we getting wolf puppies? Are we getting wolf puppies? Pearl, are you pregnant? Pearl's pregnant! Guys, we're getting wolf puppies! Okay, then. Or, sorry. I keep calling her Pearl. I don't know why. Petal is going to have wolf puppies in. Wait, when was it? In Jan? That's like 2 months. Guys, well, not in real life. That would be bad. But we might actually be getting wolf puppies today. I wasn't expecting it this soon, but we might actually, guys. And that would actually be really great because I'm hoping we can get the Arctic wolves in. But if we can also get wolf puppies, this would just be so great. Let's actually have glass all along. Wow, Kit Kat, you're just blowing through this. Wait, this is normal glass, right? Yeah, good, okay. And we actually want you curved. Oh yeah, and like I said last time, guys, Kit Kat is actually a wonderful YouTuber. He plays. Wait, can I curve this? No, okay. Yeah, so Kit Kat is a wonderful YouTuber. He plays Minecraft, and it's actually like appreciating 1.16 since 1.17 is coming out soon. And actually, that's actually something that I wanted to say about Minecraft. And that, like, I was thinking of maybe doing like a. Oof, we're gonna have to move that trash can. Of doing a Minecraft series where I actually where, you know, I kind of build a zoo like Planet Zoo, but there's also a bunch of adventures that we can go on with, like, I don't know, temples and stuff, but not like your regular desert temple that you Minecrafters would know what I'm talking about, but like actual like like temples where like, you know, there's like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but if you guys think like if you guys think that we should do a Minecraft series, please leave it in the comments down below, and tell me what you guys think about that, because I know Planet Zoo is not for everyone, so I think if we also did a Minecraft series with like a bunch of animals, because I know Minecraft doesn't really have that many animals. And let's go find our, I think it was you. Yeah, the ones with weird names. Yeah, because, okay, yeah. So, Nanook and Kalik. I don't know actually how to say it. Kalik? Something like that. And yeah, let's... Nice job, Kit Kat. Yeah, so, I was thinking about doing a Minecraft series. Pearl's having her babies! Pearl! Sorry. Oh my god, why do I keep calling her Pearl? Petal is having her babies, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so overwhelming. Petal, you're having your pups. Oh, look, he's watching her. Everyone's just gonna see Petal give birth. Sorry, guys, I don't know why I keep calling her Pearl. There's one. Who are you? Wait. Who are you? Varden. Okay, let's continue. Well, it's clearly more than one. Or, okay, no. So she just had one. But, oh my gosh, guys. Wait. The Arctic wolves are here! Where are you? Where are you? They're so pretty! Oh my gosh, they're so cute! Look at their little faces! Oh, I love them so much. Wow, this grass is really tall. Okay, we're gonna fix that before we end so that we can actually see our wolves. Okay, wow, that's so much better. Okay, there you guys go. So we have Nanook and Kalik, but I think I'm going to name you, how about I'm actually going to name you Winter, and you, Nook, even though, did you know that's actually, I think it's a city in Alaska, you're going to be Moon. So we have Winter and Moon, and, I think we are actually going to, like, her face is so cute. I think we are actually going to make their, oh my god, they're so cute. I think we're actually going to, well, definitely we're going to make their habitat next time, so that, you know, we'll have Arctic wolves. You are so beautiful. In snow, they would look so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so we'll definitely make their habitat next time. And also, we have a wolf pup. He's a little boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. He is so freaking cute. Look at him. He's just so happy. He just barked. He's so cute. Oh, I love you. What's your name? Varden? Yeah, Varden. I think actually, so it's Petal and Root. Why don't we name you Branch? I think Branch would be a good name for a little wolf pup. Okay, and we're not actually going to spend too much longer because, our Arctic wolves are not doing too great. So, we'll just actually, let's go admire them for a bit. Our lovely wolves. He really does look, wow. He looks like a bear. He looks like a polar bear. He's just so fluffy. For a second, I thought they were already mating. I was like, wow. Wow, they're just so pretty. So yeah, next time we will definitely get, you know, get their habitat all spruced up, where, he's so cute, yeah, so hopefully we'll do that, and look at all the guests just watching him. They're like, oh, it's a little wolf puppy, oh, you're so cute, Branch. Yeah, so please like and subscribe if you can, and join us in, the next step of our adventure as we continue with Planet Zoo. Nature Wolf, out.